What if I told you that Flova AI could turn a simple creative idea into a stunning, original AI film without complicated prompting or switching between multiple AI tools? Today, I'll show you exactly how it works. To get started, click the Flova AI link in my description or pinned comment. Create your free account in just a few seconds. And once you log in, you'll see a dashboard like this. This is where everything starts. AI video trends change almost every week. Instead of learning a brand new workflow every time, Flova brings powerful AI models like Cdance 2.0, Nano Banana, and 11 Labs all together in one place. Today, we'll take a reference video, analyze what makes it engaging, and then create our own original AI video inspired by its pacing, camera language, shot structure, and visual rhythm. I already have this short film.
Every city has a hero, but the greatest ones never ask to be remembered. But the greatest ones don't wait for someone else to save the world.
Let's use it as a reference and see what Flova creates. We'll use its pacing, camera movement, editing rhythm, and shot structure as inspiration. Then generate our own original AI film with a different story, character, and environment. Click the plus icon and upload your video. Then enter this prompt. Analyze the filmmaking techniques to create a brand new original AI video. Click Generate. After that, you'll see checkboxes appear on the side. Simply select them and click Done. Flova will automatically analyze the video, generate the script, create the storyboard, and prepare all the shots for you. If a shot needs improvement, I can regenerate only that scene, refine prompts, and continue editing through conversation. Let's compare the reference structure with our original AI version.
In the ashes of this city, we forgot who we were. But power doesn't sleep forever. It waits for the spark. And when the dark comes hunting, we meet it.
You can clearly see how the pacing, camera language, and composition influence the final result, while the story and visuals remain completely original. Flova isn't just another AI video generator. It's an AI creative agent. Instead of spending hours figuring everything out yourself, you can simply tell Flova what you want to create. Instead of writing long, complicated prompts, I'm just going to tell Flova what I want to create as if I'm talking to a creative teammate. Help me create a cinematic superhero short film using my character. Behind the scenes, Flova is brainstorming ideas, planning the story, suggesting camera angles, organizing the shot structure, and building a complete creative direction before generating anything. This is how you can use Flova AI to generate AI videos completely from scratch, tailored to your niche. Whether you want cartoon-style videos, anime content, UGC-style videos, or almost any other type of AI-generated content, Flova makes it easy. I'm not going to dive into all of that right now because I want to show you some of Flova's other powerful features first. Here are a few more features you should definitely check out. Product commercials. Create high-quality AI-powered product advertisements. Avatar product ads. Generate realistic UGC-style ads using AI avatars. Romantic tension shorts. Instantly create engaging cinematic short-form scenes. Script to video. Turn a simple script into a complete AI-generated video. And many more. Explore the rest of Flova's creative tools to see everything it can do. These are just some of the powerful features Flova AI has to offer. And finally, let's talk about Flova AI's pricing. Instead of paying for multiple AI tools separately, Flova gives you access to 20+ top AI models, including tools like Midjourney and Sora, plus AI editing and creative features, all in one platform. Starting at just $20 a month, you can replace an expensive AI toolkit, simplify your workflow, and spend less time switching between tools, so you can focus on creating. Use the link in my description to register and get 100 free credits instantly. You'll also receive 200 credits for every new user you invite.